Howdy, this is Edward from Valarm. In this video, you'll learn how to integrate your Cityworks with your organization's remote sensor monitoring information from tools.valarm.net. First off, if you've ever got any questions on any of this stuff, then please don't hesitate to contact me at info@valarm.net, and I'll make sure your remote monitoring needs and requirements are satisfied. Note that this video assumes you've got your monitoring hardware already from shop.valarm.net. We're also assuming you've got your Cityworks cloud ready for inspection requests, work orders, planning, permitting, licensing, land, aka PLL, and all sorts of other cool stuff. This how-to example tutorial uses Valarm Industrial Internet of Things devices for monitoring air quality. Once you and your organization have got your sensor hardware deployed in the field, like you see in these photos, then you and your teams will configure it to connect to the tools.valarm.net gateway. Again, if you've got any questions at any time, then please don't hesitate to send me a note at info@valarm.net, and I'll make sure you can monitor what you need to monitor. Are you ready to get going? Step 1. Use a web browser at your headquarters, in the field, or anywhere else, and log in to your organization's tools.valarm.net account. You'll be configuring the Valarm monitoring hardware to alert within Cityworks whenever your customized specific condition has been met. In the example in this video, we'll be demoing air quality. But remember, you can use this exact same technology to monitor water, fluids, tanks, vehicles, and just about anything, anywhere. We'll start where the user has already created and configured a monitoring device on tools.valarm.net. Note that if you need help with that or any other steps, then please have a look at our blog and other video tutorials on www.valarm.net. The current opening screen shows the created device named VOC, or Volatile Organic Compounds, which are gnarly things in the air that you and your family don't want to be breathing, like benzene, toluene, carbon dioxide, and other gnarly, nasty stuff. Here we've decided to manually set the location of the device using the green Set Location feature. Once set, the device's latitude and longitude coordinates will be associated with this stationary device in Cityworks and your GIS. If you've got a GPS sensor attached, then GPS tagging will happen automatically as your mobile monitoring devices move around. Now once your device's location has been set, you want to have this particular device send alerts to Cityworks. This alerting is done by selecting the orange Configure Data Path Outbound Alerts option. There are a number of ways that tools.valarm.net can alert you and your teams of a sensor threshold being met or exceeded, such as receiving an email or SMS text message. However, the one we're focusing on here is the Cityworks integration that will generate a PLL within Cityworks whenever a particular sensor threshold is met or exceeded. To get your Cityworks and Valarm linked up, you'll first set the outbound alert type to Cityworks. You can name the alert whatever you want, something that's meaningful to you and your conditions and scenario. In this example, it's all about air quality, so we're giving it the name air quality. Next, you'll set up your Cityworks object ID. This configuration allows tools.valarm.net to send an alert to your appropriate Cityworks PLL case. You'll then select the Valarm input channel, which represents your air quality sensor that's reporting values from the field. In this example, the air quality sensor measurement readings are recorded in the Calculated One field. Last up, you'll set the specific threshold that you want to be met in order for Valarm to send an alert. In this case study, Valarm will alert if the air quality sensor reading is higher than the specified threshold of 200. You can add notes to further clarify the conditions you're monitoring. Once your Valarm hardware is deployed in the field and reporting, you'll see the event window displays your IoT device data from your sensors. Here, in this use case, the sensor out in the field reports a reading of 468. Tools.valarm.net immediately sends out an alert to Cityworks and generates an inspection request. You can then edit the inspection request and see other pertinent details about the alert. That's a quick and easy overview of how Cityworks works with tools.valarm.net to give your city organization the capability to integrate industrial Internet of Things sensors for remote monitoring. This example how-to tutorial was all about air quality, but remember, you can rapidly deploy sensors to monitor anything, anywhere. So have a look at our customer success stories and blog on www.valarm.net to see how tools.valarm.net is used by our customers in all industries all over the world to monitor all sorts of things like water usage, wells, tanks, gases, particulate matter, fleet vehicles, trucks, and trailers loaded up with industrial equipment like pumps and vacuums and tanks. Please don't hesitate to contact us at info@valarm.net if you've got any questions. And, as always, thank you for watching.